Buckle up, aviation enthusiasts, and welcome back to Histories of Airliners. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane with a legendary airline and a very special aircraft. Braniff International Airways Boeing 747-227B that was registered while with Braniff as November 602 Bravo November. While with Braniff, this aircraft was nicknamed Big Orange. The resounding success of the Queen of the Skies, the Boeing 747-100, spurred Boeing to innovate further. In 1971, a few years after the 100's debut, they unveiled the 747-200. This iteration addressed the airline's desires for longer routes. By incorporating more powerful engines and strengthening the aircraft structure, the 200 model boasted a significantly increased range and payload capacity. Compared to its predecessor, the 747-200 could fly farther, carry more passengers or cargo, and established itself as an even more dominant long-haul queen of airliners. In 1968, Braniff International Airways, known for its innovative spirit and colorful branding, made a bold move. They announced the purchase of the 100th Boeing 747, making its mark in a big way. The star of our video today arrived in 1979, painted in Braniff's iconic orange livery, a true big orange bird ready to soar. This 747 wasn't just big, it was luxurious. Braniff boasted a state-of-the-art in-flight entertainment system, a novelty back then. This aircraft saw action on key routes like Dallas to Gatwick. It was a time of immense growth for Braniff, but also financial strain. The airline went into rapid expansion mode, acquiring more aircraft and routes than they could handle. In fact, on December 15th of 1978, Braniff added 16 cities and 32 routes in one day, the largest addition of routes in one day by any airline up to that point. Sadly, this gamble backfired. By early 1982, Braniff ceased operations. This aircraft, along with the rest of the 747 fleet, had to find a new home. That new home for this aircraft would become People Express. It was a bold move for the low-cost airline, known for its bare-bones approach to travel. While People Express revolutionized domestic travel with rock-bottom fares and cheerful chaos, this aircraft offered a taste of luxury on transatlantic routes. However, its presence hinted at a potential shift. This Queen of the Skies stood out amongst the airline's workhorse Boeing 737s, a symbol of both ambition and the growing pains People Express would face in the years to come. Northwest Airlines would acquire this aircraft in 1984, a new addition to their growing stable of jumbo jets. This aircraft carved a path across the Pacific, carrying passengers on long-haul routes to Asia. Whether it was the bustling energy of Tokyo or the serene beauty of Seoul, this airliner became a familiar sight at international hubs. For over 2 decades, it faithfully served Northwest, witnessing the airline's evolution and the ever-growing demand for international travel. This aircraft story is one of reliability and endurance, a testament to the workhorse role these iconic jets played in Northwest's journey. In the end, in 2007, this aircraft would be a victim of the Northwest Airlines Delta Airlines merger, with all of Northwest Airlines 747-200s being retired prior to the merger being completed. This aircraft story reflects a fascinating period in aviation history. It represents the rise and fall of a major airline, the jet age revolution, and the ever-changing landscape of commercial air travel. For aviation enthusiasts, this aircraft holds a special place. Model airplane companies have immortalized it in miniature form, a reminder of its unique place in aviation history. Have you ever flown on this 747? Share your memories or ask questions in the comments below. Let's keep the spirit of Braniff and this aircraft alive. Hey there, want to get even more involved with this channel? Consider joining our YouTube membership or our Patreon. Members get some awesome perks, like helping choose future video topics and getting early access to new videos before they hit the public feed. It's a great way to support the channel and become part of a dedicated community. We'd love to have you on board.